What if I told you that building a highly profitable business doesn't have to be complicated? In fact, you can do it with a simple step-by-step system that gives you more freedom and control over your time. Most people never finish this process. Will you be in the 10% who actually succeed? Stick around and I'll show you how. First, let's talk about the foundation, because without a clear vision and core values, your business is like a ship without a map. Ask yourself, where do you want to be in 10 years? Seriously, picture your dream business and lifestyle. What kind of impact do you want to have? Now, reverse engineer that vision into 3-year and 1-year SMART goals: specific, measurable, actionable, realistic, and time-bound. Next, core values. What's non-negotiable for you? Pick 3 to 5 values that will guide every decision you make. This will keep you and your team laser-focused. Comment below with your top business value. Integrity? Innovation? Freedom? Let me know. Now, let's talk systems, because a business without systems is a business that steals your time. Your audience is your business's lifeblood. Start creating content consistently across multiple platforms. And here's a free hack. Repurpose one piece of content into multiple formats. Turn a YouTube video script into a YouTube short, an Instagram reel, a LinkedIn post, even a tweet on X and Threads. Next, money. Set up your offer stack. A series of offers that take your audience from casual viewer to paying customer. Think free lead magnets, low-ticket workshops, and high-tier services. Quick tip: if you don't have an offer yet, start by solving one small problem for free. Then package that solution into a paid product. Feeling overwhelmed by endless tasks? It's time to automate, eliminate, or delegate. Keep a journal for a week. Write down every task you do. Then mark the ones you hate or stink at. These are the first things you should outsource. Ever struggle with what to post? Here's a freebie. I've put together a list of 100 content ideas to keep you inspired. Just go to millionization.beehive4.com or simply click the link in my bio. Once you're at the website, go to the search bar and search for 100 content ideas. Click on it, and here are 100 content ideas you can use right now to get started. Now, you might be wondering, when should I start hiring? Here's the secret. Systems come before team. Hiring too soon can actually slow you down. First, document your processes in a simple Google document. This way, when you do hire, your new team member knows exactly what to do. Skills can be taught, but values? Not so much. Hire people who align with your vision and mission. If you've got a small budget, start with freelancers and virtual assistants to free up your time. All right, let's bring it all together with tracking and scaling. Because what gets measured gets improved. Set up a simple company dashboard. Track your leads, revenue, and engagement. Review this weekly to spot what's working and what needs tweaking. Success isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. Follow a structured 90-day plan. Days 1 to 30. Set up your foundation, vision, systems, content strategy. Days 31 to 60. Grow your audience and build engagement. Days 61 to 90. Monetize with offers and scale your revenue. Business moves fast. The key to long-term success? Keep testing, adjusting, and improving. Don't wait for perfection. Launch, learn, and tweak as you go. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. And comment 90-day plan if you want my exclusive breakdown on how to grow fast in just 90 days.